So, are you saying you're not gonna react to OTV and Friends today? No. I'm down. When did I say that? It kind of makes me feel a bit like a sense of community again whenever OTV and Friends starts posting again. It's kind of nice. That's to bait you into watching it. God damn, I fell for it so easily. The editor cooked me! Bro, what? Brace myself. Oh no, it could be bait, and I'll fall for it. It's always us.
The path up ahead. There is a small section with blue ice, but I mean it's probably fine. Oh, this part. This is where it gets dangerous.
This already feels dangerous.
Oh my god. Oh, this looks.
What game is this? It looks like
we can
Peak.
Oh god. Okay, maybe.
Guys, should we winch it? Like, I don't know.
Slowly.
Are we there yet?
Okay. Now here's the dicey part. Oh yeah. Bring it up to the trees up there, Poe. That could do it.
I'm gonna throw Gumi up to the tree. Come here.
Oh yeah. Let's do that. Let's do it. And then throw.
Oh. Wait, now
I've got a plan.
I'm at 1 HP though.
Okay, I throw you and you throw Gumi. Grab her and then I'll.
Oh, this would give me so much motion sickness. I said.
And then attach it. Oh god!
What happened?
I think
Typical family vacation. I'm sorry, if that really happened and we start flipping, that would send me into like. I saw a TikTok today where on one of the planes there was a SWAT team that had to like go on and like remove someone on the plane because there was like a bomb threat, and you just hear chants of the teams and people telling people to like, it's like head down, hands up, head down, hands up, and it's like them having to do this on the front of the seat in front of them, and they had to go like this. And if I kept hearing that chant, knowing that there was like something going on, a SWAT team was coming, I fear that I would be freaking out. Like, I don't know if I could handle that mentally.
Oh no.
Thanks, Barrett. But that's crazy. Latest video intro with you is crazy. What the is this thumbnail? What the hold on, I just gotta message somebody real quick. What the is this? Huh? So you're telling me the intro is bad, but I'm at the thumbnail part right now before I even click it. But you're saying it could be worse?
This is my friend Yvonne. She is widely considered by everyone in the world to be the worst gamer ever.
I still think widely considered is fucking insane, by the way.
Exist. But I believe in my friend Yvonne.
Oh, shut up. Are you kidding? Widely considered. And he tries to make himself the fucking good guy after by saying, but I believe in my... Shut the fuck up.
But not I. I believe she has the potential.
No, don't pat my head. This head patting is crazy.
Today, the first thing we're gonna train her.
I need to know, was this his idea? Was that his idea?
Excuse me, hold on. Hold the... I'm gonna need them.
This video is not gonna do 1 million. You're pretty much doing this to me for free. So I'm upset.
Planning for long class. Leslie?
I'm buckled in for Leslie clips.
Dude, editor, there are so many clips of me doing sick things, so you can...
Really? Yeah. Where? Do we gotta look hard for it?
And I will allow you to do that once in a while. But for every 2 of that, I need 1 cool montage. Me, right? Boom, zoom in. Boom, black and
Whoa!
white, epic music. There's hella shots. Let's freaking go!
The edit goes hard.
B, banana. Fast B or what?
Nice, Boozly!
Whoa!
Doesn't work.
Wait, all you have to do is ask? I want my better league plays, not my fails on. How about that?
That doesn't do anything, Leslie.
Nice.
Whoa! Dude, the edit is so good.
Come on, man. Could we have tap now?
Oh, and I didn't clear.
Under window.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Bronny got us.
We might be cooked.
Game's fucking easy, man.
We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
Up cat.
Leslie?
Up cat.
I don't feel so good.
I don't feel so good. Oh, I'm dead.
What the fucking...
Did I not kill that guy? Did I not kill the guy?
I'm just 1 HP.
Oh
Yeah, go right. Take the bomb and go away. Take the bomb and go away.
You're running to the wall.
Go right. Go away. Yeah. Take the bomb and go away. Take the bomb and go away. Take the bomb and go away.
Oh my god, so funny.
Nice.
You got this. Good job.
Play.
Praying for you, psychopaths. Good luck, you got it.
She's literally throwing.
Hold fire. Hold fire. Take the bomb out and hold fire. Hold your mouth left.
Okay, now plant and wrap. Got a wrap here.
Uh-oh.
You guys stressed me out! Throw the bomb 3 times!
Thank you. Reset. Thank you.
Why does it look like he's taking a shit? Really? You can't tell? Am I not like following you and stalking you or something?
I don't know. Oh, you're just a bit lower than I thought.
What do you mean lower?
I don't know. Even your ghost is kind of short.
That's crazy.
I don't know. Usually the spirits take higher ground.
Shut up.
That was
Who do you think is killing Tawny right now? Because I want you to know it ain't me. I'm happy to have Tawny around. But I don't think the other half of Tawny gives a shit. You know what I mean?
weird. Okay, I'm not sure what to expect for this game, but it is called Super Battle Golf. I'm assuming, does that guy have a shotgun?
Can't we all just get along? Okay. Oh my god, I'm a golfer. Wait, oh.
Shy.
You know, sometimes it ain't about winning.
Interesting, Peter.
Fuck you guys.
I can't believe you.
This has gotta go.
Scar's chaotic, dude. That was so triggering.
Not to be
Wait, I think the skull means they like are fucking
Just know that like I was very much internally crashing out as this happened. Like at the end of this, it was just unbelievable.
crazy.
I do again.
No, it was not my game. I absolutely despised it.
Oh my god!
This game is my monopoly. It truly makes me hate my fucking friends. Like it's because there's so many people in the game that you're constantly getting hit, and if you're like not good at it, then it's just like tenfold worse. I can't do it.
You make all the sounds? Does he bark?
Wait, this game makes it so you record. Wait, that's kind of cool.
Oh my god, I see the eagle. I see it. It's right here. Wait. Did you hear that pitch at the beginning?
That's
Of course he's the best at
insane.
doing the bald one. Wow, what a game! I would crush the crow sounds. If is there a crow? Just a little teaser. Yeah.
Oh, I know that would. I think I could tell that it's her. Just if I heard a crow, it sounded like that.
You come back to life. Your head.
Oh my god, I can barely watch this. Oh god. No, I'm not playing this.
How do you feel that the love of your life has... My wife is back. It feels
No
like
way
all the puzzle
in
pieces
hell.
Have, like, and then we open the vault. And like now everything's great. Oh my god, hi! Oh, thank you. I didn't know until I logged in.
The anniversary.
And I just went upstairs and now I'm just here. Guys, Sydney moved in.
I moved in. Okay, I'm actually going now.
What does it mean to be out of the box?
What?
Oh, I thought you. Well, you don't know?
Out of the box, like.
Is everyone out of the box already?
So many signs were sent.
What did you?
So I'm leaving now, bro. Like you couldn't tell.
Is that how men feel when like girls are so obviously flirting that I didn't know. I thought she was just being nice.
Like I would be out of the room if I didn't want to make out.
Oh, the Mr. Beast. Oh, that box.
Oh my
Dude,
god.
I got the vagina.
Oh.
Your vagina box. Are you a rapper, Jody? Like what? No one says that.
Closet is gay.
I know. So are we.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not beating the allegations, dude.
What the heck?
Ow.
What? Good headshot, Pickles.
I don't think it was me.
It says Pickles attacked a teammate.
Oh,
Many mid.
Oh. Ah. Sorry.
Did you just kill him? You can't stop. You can't.
It was a clean shot.
Gamers, welcome back. I don't know if you missed last time, but we set up the gun camera. Ah, bitch! Damn! I'm such a good shot that it bounces right back and hits.
Oh.
Oh yeah, catapult. I guess just making this guy work, right? Having it load itself so I don't have to reach my little fingy in there. You know? Just gonna do a quick little weld. See how these metal is 2 pieces?
Yeah, it actually is because it's shot like very. That's a powerful shot. For it to ricochet back to him like that.
Now this metal is 1 pieces. Yeah, I didn't know you could do that, huh? What happened? No way, really? I gotta go back and watch that. I think it probably did EMP the access point, right? This is embarrassing to say. I thought everyone freaked out by how awesome my weld was.
What the heck?
Sick weld, man. This hooks in.
Wait, can someone explain that? What happened? Like, how did he? Did they think that it was a shot so that changed the camera scene? Malfunction.
Freaked out by how awesome my weld was. Fucking sick.
Oh, a glitch.
This hooks in kind of like that.
Ah. Lily just doing a dance. The frequency was synced. That's crazy.
It looks good, no? Oh yeah, we should put something in it. Oh yeah, and not all of you have seen our boy. Our boy is not doing great, but he's holding it together. I don't even think he goes very far. Okay, gamers. Why was it sugar water? Because that's what they fill this f***ing guy with, dude. Get going on everything I own. Like my feet are all sticky. Well,
Save Nar! Thank you so much for the prime. Thank you.
Michael's not. I know you're not actually gonna play. He does this. He knows he's doing this because he knows it's full play. Honey.
What the heck? Michael's here.
Oh, he's trolling.
Yo, let's just.
I mean, if he's willing to play, is he gonna start streaming? He's gonna stream from League of Legends?
There's no way.
You told him to not infringe on your turf.
No, I said, are you ever gonna stream games? He said no. I just want to do projects in my garage.
What about Minecraft? Would he stream Minecraft?
He said maybe
Ooh,
Minecraft. He didn't
Minecraft,
know,
yeah.
That was the only exception.
You're saying you wouldn't let him stream.
Are you guys?
Yeah. You're not letting him stream League? It's
hate
kind of like
all of
that.
What is he saying, dude? I will not stream this trash ass bitchless scare the host type game. Scare the host.
No,
Yeah.
League is in now. It's cool.
What does he mean by scared the hose? Huh?
Again, you know.
Hello.
Hello.
Chonggong.
Something successful.
Hope you have a successful horse here.
Never heard anyone say that before.
Okay, so my Chinese teacher said everyone would love that. She said that would be a hit at every single party with every Chinese person you've ever met.
Well, your teacher fucking lied to you. Yeah.
Hello?
Oh, you dirty guayo.
I rewatched this clip. It's so funny.
Does that mean white? Monster? It means monster, right?
No, you
But does that
mispronounced it slightly, so now it's like the worst.
What did it mean?
Your intonation was just a little off,
What did I
and now you'll be getting canceled.
Damn, I didn't know you were like
Wow.
that.
I didn't keep me the first one.
I don't know.
I think he was trying to say. Wait, hold on. What did he say?
Hello?
Oh, you dirty guayo.
Yeah, guai wu. That's not. It's not anything at all.
It was just a little off.
What did I
and now-
White monster. But he didn't say that.
Damn, I didn't know you were like
Wow.
that.
I didn't keep me the first one.
He's trying to say Mandarin. It's in Mandarin,
Bad it is.
isn't it?
What kind of slur, man?
Okay, think about the most persecuted.
But the thing is, didn't he say guai wu, not guai lo? I don't think he said Cantonese. He said Cantonese? Hold on, let's VOD review this.
It's monster, right?
No, you.
Oh, what is that? What?
Hello?
Oh, you dirty guayo.
What? Mean?
Does that mean white?
Oh, I see. He's trying to say the Okay, I think. Okay, so was he trying to say the Cantonese word, but made it Mandarin? So I thought it was Mandarin, but he was trying to speak Canto. Like what he learned was in Canto, but he mixed it. Yeah, because he's learning Mandarin. I'm like, why am I so confused right now?
You mispronounced it slightly.
Because
So
I think
now it's
he's
like
also
the worst.
confused.
What did I say?
Our slurs bad.
You don't really say that anymore in Hong Kong.
I think I needed.
Think about the most.
To my understanding, it's not like, or like what I thought was all these years still that like it wasn't that bad. No.
No, I don't want to know.
I'm sorry, I've just had a really long day. Like, this is the last thing I needed. I just keep
Oh my
burning
god,
things.
and
Are you gonna say anything? You're just looking at me. Whatever. Have a good one. And you left me a shit review. 1 second. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
did I accidentally type a slur?
Okay. I hear you.
It's kind of interesting to explain. Like in Cantonese, like it's what's been said for so long that there's like a line where people don't say it. They're not saying, like, some people are saying it in like a racist tone, and then some people say it in like a very, that's just how they call white people, and they are very I don't know how to explain it, but there is like a some people who say it do not make it like it's not a thing at all in that way. But I don't know how to explain, like, Chinese people sometimes are just so forward, or like they don't attach that with any type of even negative thing, that they just say it to like describe a group of people. But then it's like, I don't know, it's just direct. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah.
1 second. Right, okay.
Yes, it's like, I actually want to say it's not, but it can be offensive. Yeah, it is. It's like similar to, maybe, is it? Somebody Japanese maybe can tell me. If it's similar to like how Japan has a word for foreigners at times, except for this one, just, yeah, I don't know.
Just, okay, simple. No, I got you.
Yeah.
Don't even... What are you, like 5? You have to be 5 years old. Yeah, you think?
Oh, same characters too.
I actually can't right now. It's fine. It's working out.
It
fine,
just
actually.
says that.
Like I saw an old guy show his, and I'm like, what an interesting episode. And I did not see anything else after. Yeah, it was a huge.
Oh, there's
like,
Caller Taker because
absolutely
comment to
massive.
me. Yeah, it's
She's like a raw, natural talent
yeah.
for creating clips, man. Just by existing, it's incredible. I think Leslie might actually be the chosen one that will save us from like the next crisis of humanity. I don't know.
War.
So one is showers. We should plan for. Can we take spawn? And we're gonna plan for spawn.
Flash? I think one flash from
wait.
bathroom.
Everyone wait.
The
Everyone
best
wait a
clip
second.
farmer.
I missed my smoke. Give me your smoke. Give me your smoke. Give me your smoke. Give me your smoke. Yeah, there's smoke. There's
Oh,
smoke.
Chase,
There's smoke.
that one I know. That one I agree with. I agree with that one. I agree that that one should be changed for sure.
One the thing,
Your smoke.
door.
Your smoke. Your smoke. Drop the smoke.
Jesus Christ.
She gave me everything but the smoke. No! I can't believe it. She gave me her AK, her Glock, her flash, her nade.
I think she gave you her fucking
and the
SIN number
knife.
at one point.
Oh, man. That was unfortunate. That was actually impressive, though.
Thanks, guys. If you missed my Donald Duck impression earlier,
I gotta go.
This is your friend. Why do I feel like I just got roasted?
All right, here we go.
That's my roommate. I don't know if that is. I might not know her. Suddenly, I don't know her.
A little change goes a long way. A little time to ease your expectations. Transformation. That's what the dark and warmth are for. Oh, no, the mic. What? Hey! Oh God, are you alright?
Hey, you.
Bro, who the fuck edited this? This is a banger edit the entire video. Did it say? Oh my god, it doesn't say anymore. Can't even flame them or declare war on them. But that was great. Like the Leslie edit into the ending too. Oh my god, that was so sick. They fear me. I know. Yeah, they don't put in the description anymore. They're scared that I'm gonna track them down.